Hey everyone, Brett here. Today I'm going to be showing you all my Amber Toffee Tease and Weave technique using my favorite Dennis Bernard products from the Power Tools line. So today I'm going to be utilizing TCA and Fourplex. So to get started here, I'm going to be having two formulas. Formula A is my lightener that I'm going to be adding 17 drops of TCA to my 1 scoop. And then I'm going to be using 10 drops to my 2 ounces of Formula B, which is going to be an intense copper. And this is going to speed up my process from 35 minutes down to about 10 to 15. I'm going to be using 1/8 of an ounce of Fourplex into each of the formulas. This will not only improve the structure of the hair, but it will greatly lengthen the color's longevity. So I'm going to be using 4 sections here. Fringe, 2 frontal sections from behind the ear, and 1 in the back. Placement is incredibly simple. In horizontal sections, gently back comb, and foliage with Formula B. Take your next section and medium weave using Formula A and foliage. Alternate, repeat on alternate sides and the back. Tip: I like to use my duckbill clip to keep my back combing in place while I feather with my brush. So I leave my fringe for last, and this is just to create a really nice glow around the face. So I'm just simply balayaging the top only using Formula A, and I'm going to leave this to process for 20 minutes. For toning, I simply added 5 drops of TCA and 1/16 of an ounce of Fourplex at the bowl. And here's going to be my end result. Be sure to remember that this is a 100% customizable technique and creates a gorgeous contrasted effect.